What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the price of the all new upcoming OPPO Reno 7 5G smartphone and its specifications in India. Now before getting into this video, if you are new here then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. Now, what we know about the OPPO Reno 7 5G smartphone is that it will be a rebranded version of the OPPO Reno 7 SE 5G with the same specifications, which is that it will be running with the Android 11 out of the box with the ColorOS 12 on top of that. Not only that, it will be featuring a MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC with a Mali G68 GPU. And it will be powered with the 8GB RAM and it will offer up to 256GB of storage of UFS 2.2. Not only that, if we talk about the charging of this phone, then it will be charging up to 33 watts of fast charging and a 4500 milliamp battery. Now talking about the price which you all guys were waiting for, as the leakers has been leaked the price of this phone to be of 48,000 rupees in India, which is really insane, and it has been leaked via a retailer which is still to be known, and we are waiting for an update. And we also generally usually see the price of the retail box is higher than actually the price of the phone, so we can expect this phone to be priced around 40,000 rupees in India with all the features and specifications with the curved display. Now if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.